Barbie. Hi, Ken. And today we have a very special edition for you. Today we'll be unboxing some toys that are dedicated to famous music bands. So join me and let's go. So first things first, we have this beautiful toy that is dedicated to KISS. And let's pull the beautiful toy out. Each of those boxes, we have two toys, the 100% version and the 400% version. Oh my God, he is absolutely gorgeous. He's so pretty. And make note of the fact that these toys are all part of the chrome version. Just look at how beautifully they sparkle in the light. Next, we have the Catman. This is the Demon edition, very fitting. And last but not least, it's the Star Child. Once again, 100 and 400% version. All right, let's place them all together. Now these toys are going to take us to outer space. These are Gorillaz, designed by Superplastic. We are going to unbox 4 toys, each of which is dedicated to one of the members of Gorillaz. Here you can see all of them together, and now we're going to unbox them one by one. Okay. Oh my gosh! And we can light it up. Okay, so we've unboxed 2D. Let's now unbox his bandmates. Look at him! Now, let's unbox the biggest toy, which is Murder. It is all about the clothes. Oh my God, very Frankenstein-esque. He's in space. He's floating. Let's open the last toy, and that is Noodle. She also has a stand. Oh my gosh, she's special. These two are special. Ah! Oh my god, she's got dynamite. Look at them all together. And I present to you the members of Gorillaz. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Enjoyed unboxing these beautiful toys together with me. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye. And share your thoughts and opinions in the comments.